This is Auru's vehicle collection, and there is a dragon which works with a remote.
Yeah.
This is Auru's toy collection. We have different kind of toys. On the right side, he has all the toys which we bought when he was very young. This is car collection. There are telephones, cats, animals, slide. Then there are toys which we can play with, balls, kitchen, telephones, electronic toys like computer, tab, remote car, robot, steering wheel. Then there's gun collection. Then he has different kinds of balls, sport related toys. Then blocks, kitchen set. Oh my god, there are many others. And there is piano, music section, piano, drums, xylophone,
Okay.
a very small piano. He also has a harmonica there.
Bap.